Hello and welcome to the Southern Solid Jett from McDowell at your service in a very wet and soggy central Bristol. Now, I don't know if you remember, but earlier this year I did a video talking about coach versus train between Bristol and Bournemouth, train versus National Express. Well, a new player has now entered the market, Flixbus. You can now get from Bristol and Bournemouth with Flixbus. And I paid half the price versus National Express to get to Bristol and back from Bournemouth via London. So we're going to review the Flixbus service on my journey back. So I'll discuss a bit more through the video, but let's get inside the Bristol bus station. It's like it's not just humans travelling in here today. National Express service to Birmingham. Please go to Maidstone.
Yeah, for sure. Most bad.
20 minutes late, we're on the move. Okay, so we've just parked up at the Heathrow Central bus station for terminals 2, 3 and onward connections to 4. Next stop is terminal 5, and that's where I got off on this one. It's a bit of a better look at the seats. Standard as you get on Flixbus. They're black leather and fabric with a bit of this little green stuff here. And they've also got the charging ports that you saw earlier when I was reviewing it when I first got in. Heathrow, about half an hour late. But I did have a 1 hour 40 odd minute connecting time here at Heathrow between the two Flixbuses. So I've still got an hour leeway. So I'm off to go see some aeroplanes because the retro British Airways Airbus is on its way in. It's about 5-10 minutes out. And then I'll go get a coffee, go to the toilet, and then I'll catch up with you and discuss a bit more about my journey, some of the facts and figures. So catch you in a few minutes. Right, so I've got about half hour now left to go before my bus turns up. So Flixbus were £21.98 actually, so about £22 basically, to get from Bournemouth to Bristol and back. Now, National Express wanted almost twice as much. They wanted about £40 for these exact same dates when I was trying to buy a ticket back in late August. And overall, you know, I think Flixbus has been quite competitive so far. One of the big things I do like about Flixbus's product versus NX's is that NX was going to make me swap in London Victoria in the city centre. Flixbus, however, is making me change here at Heathrow, which is great because it means I haven't got to go into central London to swap buses. I can literally just, you know, swap buses here at Heathrow and not have to venture into London, because as you can imagine, I really don't want to have to head 100 miles northeast, then head another 100 miles out west, if you know what I mean, because you can't do a direct Bournemouth to Bristol. Even on the trains, you've got to connect somewhere like Salisbury or Southampton. Same with the buses, you know. Right, enough of me waffling. My bus will be here soon, so I'm going to enjoy a quick coffee and then we shall catch up on the next leg between Heathrow and Bournemouth. I believe there's no further stops on that one. It's just straight to Bournemouth. There may be Southampton in there, but yeah, I should be back hopefully within the next 2.5 hours. So a bit of an update. Looks like we're going to be waiting a little longer because the Flixbus is running late, coming in from central London. This is not surprising, given it's like Friday and it's gone 4 PM. It's probably hit the cluster that is London rush hour. So as it stands, it's due to get here about 4:45 PM, which is about half hour later than scheduled. It's not the end of the world. Like I said, I'm at Terminal 5, so I can always go inside if I need to for a bit. So I'm just going to keep an eye on the tracker and see what happens. My coach is running nearly an hour late. I'm still here at Terminal 5, but hey, could be stuck in worse places. Yeah, the bus is near Chiswick. He's got to go to Terminal 2 and 3, then round to T5. He's supposed to be here in about 20 minutes at Terminal 5, but at this point I'm doubting he's going to be here in that time. Right, let's try and get this travel vlog back on track. The bus I'm waiting on, I've been tracking it. He should be at T2 and T3 central bus stations, so with any luck he'll be here in about 10 minutes, less than that. And then once he's left here, straight down to Southampton, then onward to Bournemouth, and then I can get the hell off. Oh, well, I hope this drama's made for a good video, and I hope you guys are enjoying the ride. I sure have mixed feelings on it. Ah, here he is. Boy, am I glad to see that. Right, time to end the video. As you can see, I'm in Southampton and not Bournemouth. I'm getting picked up here instead of having to go all the way into Bournemouth because of all the issues with the delays. So I've got to be somewhere this evening, so I'm running a bit tight of time. So without further ado, thank you for watching this video. I'm Jett from McDowell. You've been watching the Southern Airs. Safe travels. I'll see you in the next one. Good night.